Hi there. I've been coming to area acupuncture now for about 4 months, seeing Dr. Kwan, and I came in for a variety of issues. One being kidney issues and edema, swelling of the feet, and also sleep apnea and inflammation of the body. Um, I no longer have the edema; the swelling has all gone down, and on a regular basis, I do not have it. The sleep apnea, I don't have at all. I have no issues with that anymore. And the inflammation is also gone. I've lost about 20 pounds and I feel great. I have lots of energy. And also, she helped. I didn't even know acupuncture could do this, but she helped my neck and back issues that I was having just with the needle, which I thought was amazing. And I feel wonderful and have a lot of energy. I would definitely recommend coming to Dr. Kwan. Thank you.